Welcome to day 2 of my de-stress challenge. This class works on the upper body to release stress and tension. You'll need one block to sit on between the heels, or you can even do this whole practice sitting in a chair. See you on the mat. We'll start today in a comfortable kneeling position. Place a block between your heels and sit back on it. Bring one hand to the heart and one hand to the belly, and just breathe. You can close the windows of the eyes and turn your attention inwards. Notice how your chest expands as you inhale. Notice how it decreases when you exhale. Find a rhythm that works for you and breathe here. Then release both hands down to the knees and open the eyes. Extend the right arm out to the side and lean over to the right, stretching the left side body, making sure the sit bones are still glued to the heels. You can face forward or turn the head down. And inhale to the other side, really reaching out of the waist, feeling that stretch all down the right side body. And come back up, and we'll repeat again, over to the right, reaching out of the left side. And then back to center and over to the left. And inhale, come back up. Inhale, both arms up to the sky and twist round to the left. Lengthening the spine as you inhale and rotating as you exhale. And inhale back to center and over to the other side. Lengthen on the inhale and rotate as you exhale. Inhale back to center and release the arms down. Come into seated cat-cow. So place the hands on the knees and round the spine backwards. Then as you inhale, the chest lifts forward to the sky. Keep moving in this rhythm. Exhaling as you round the spine and inhaling as the chest comes up. Maybe the face lifts to the heavens. Return to a neutral spine and we'll work on the neck. So gently turning the head from one side and then to the other, to the left and then to the right, to the left and to the right, to the left and then to the right. Next time you bring your face to the left, bring the chin down towards the chest. So your head is at an angle and you should feel a stretch all down the right side of the neck. Breathe here. Then lift the head and look over to the right, bringing the chin down towards the right shoulder. Then inhale, come up and tilt the head over to the left side. Bring the left hand up on the outside of the right ear, and maybe extend the right arm out, flexing the hand, feeling that stretch all down the right side of the neck. Even breathing. Then inhale, come back up and repeat on the other side. Tilting the head to the right, bringing the right hand up, taking hold of the left ear, extending the left arm out to the side and flexing the hand. Feeling it all down the left side of the neck. Then inhale, come back up. We'll move into neck circles, so bring the chin down to the chest and then slowly in a circle, roll the head all around. Only do this if it feels good for your neck, otherwise you can do half circles. Deep, even breaths. Bring the full range of motion in the neck. Shoulders remain relaxed. Then come to center and go the other way. You may hear a few pops and crackles. This is completely normal. One more circle. And come back to center. Extend the arms out directly out from the shoulders and flex the hands. Really feel like you're pulling the arms away from the shoulder joint. Breathe here. Then release the hands down and we'll move into a tricep stretch. So bring the left arm up and fold it behind the head with the right hand grabbing hold of the left elbow. And release. Second side, right arm comes up, bend the elbow and reach the left hand on top of the right elbow. Feeling that stretch in the right tricep. And then release. Move into some shoulder shrugs. So lifting both shoulders up towards the ears and rotating the shoulders backwards. Remembering to breathe and then reverse the direction. Bring the hands out in front of you like you're holding teacups, and then pull the elbows back to the hips. Rotate the palms, bring them up to the sky, cross behind the head and back down. So if you remember when you do this move, the palms are always facing upwards. It can take a little while to grasp it. So you're pulling the elbows back, rotating the palms to the back, lifting them up and crossing them above the head and then back down again. Keep going, it doesn't matter what it looks like. As long as you feel that movement in the shoulder joint. Then we'll reverse the movement, so bringing the teacups forward, rotating the hands to the back, crossing above the head and rotating round again. And keep going. Bringing the hands forward, lifting the teacups to the sky, rotating the shoulders and the arms and back down again. A few more times. Took me a while to get this movement, so have a little fun with it. And then release the hands down. eagle arms, bring the left arm over the top of the right and maybe hug the shoulders, or you can bring the forearms together or even wrap the hands. Lift the elbows away from the body and breathe here. You should feel this all in the back of the shoulders. Don't worry if you can't double wrap the forearms. Do whatever arm position feels good for you. Breathing into that space between the shoulders, and then release and go the other way. So this time the right arm comes on top. Maybe hug the shoulders, or bring the forearms together, or double wrap. Breathe here. Enjoying that stretch between the shoulder blades, maybe into the back of the neck. Lifting the elbows up can intensify it a little bit. And then slowly release. We'll work on releasing the jaw, so bringing the fists to the side of the face and gently pushing down the sides of the face, all by that very strong jaw muscle that we have. We hold a lot of tension in our jaw, and this is a way to help release it. Putting slight pressure down the sides of the face. A couple more times. And then release the hands down to the lap. Close the eyes and sit for a moment. Notice how you feel in the emotional triangle, the jaw, the neck, and the shoulders. Hopefully you feel a little bit of release. And then bring the palms up to the chest. Thank you for practicing with me, and I hope to see you on the mat again soon.